Hello my friends, welcome to Trading BKS. Today is 1st of May 2023. So today is Labor Day. So happy Labor Day to everyone. So today I want to do a special edition. This one is for the gold and silver. Because gold and silver, the movement start to diverge a bit. Okay, means silver is still very strong, but gold starting to drop. Okay, so we want to take a look on the gold, what the history tells us about gold and silver, and what the potential. Look at the chart. What is the potential in the near future? Okay, before we start, because this is this is what we are going to talk about gold and silver. Okay, before we start, check out a quick introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, we got a few data to analyze today. First one is recession. Okay, when US recession, will the gold price goes up? Okay, let's check out. Okay, this is during we start from this chart. Start from this 1968 until 2020 Okay, so between 1968 and 1972 there is a recession over here. Okay, after recession, gold price actually goes up During recession, actually went up a bit, 6%. After recession, okay, from 72 to 76, actually continued to went up. Okay, so at the almost 76, 75, 76 recession, actually the price dropped for a while, then it went up again, okay, until 750. But then during the 1980 recession, actually it dropped, started to drop. Then 84 recession, it's flat. In 1992 recession, it dropped. Okay, 2004 recession, actually it started to go up after recession. Okay, after 2008 recession, it goes up some more. Okay, towards 2000. Okay, and after that, the price dropped a bit. Okay, now, okay, it's to 2020. Okay, 2020. COVID during COVID. Okay, so the price actually hold still flat after COVID. Okay, so now from this chart we can see that recession actually there's no indication that recession okay, will drive the price up No, a lot of this idea, a lot of people giving idea that recession, okay, the gold price will shoot up Okay, it did happen a few times, but not always not always okay, not always a recession will bring up, okay, they'll bring up the gold price. Okay, then we got one more data over here. Want to take a look? Okay, I'm going to see gold price history and USD. Okay, so you see that 20 years, okay, 20 years data. You look at 20 years. Okay, gold actually, if you hold gold for 20 years, right? For the last 20 years, you actually gain 484%. Okay, if you hold 5 years, you gain 52%, right? You gain 52%. Okay, if you hold last 6 months, you gain 21%. You hold 30 days, actually 24%. Today it went up 0.71. Also gold, right? Okay, the longer you hold, right, from the history the longer you hold, right, the more you gain okay, 5 years to 20 years okay, so you are getting the biggest gain for when you hold it longer not 5 months 3 months, not 5-6 months is trading for this gold initially. So when you buy gold, you have to have a strong hand to hold it long term to hold it long term. Look at silver. Okay, silver for 20 years, okay, silver performance also went up 424%, okay, for 20 years. For 5 years, it went up 53. Whereas gold, okay, 20 years 484, and 5 years 52. Okay, and for 1 year 10%, for 1 year gold 6%. Okay, for 6 months it went up 30%. For gold 21%. Okay, for 30 days 4%. 30 days 0.24, and today is 0.7 and 3.1. So this one we don't look at it. We look at the 1 year and above. Okay, we look at the 1 year and above. Okay, so basically, right, if you look at shorter term okay, if you look at shorter term, let's say 6 months okay, 6 months. Okay, shorter term probably, okay, silver, okay, will give you better gain because how do you call it more volatile it moves faster than gold. Okay, gold move a bit slower If you're holding longer term, right, you plan to hold 5 years, 5 years, 20 years you see okay, for short term 1 year and 6 months 1 year 6 months okay, silver actually perform beat gold for 1 year it's 10%, gold is only 6%, for 6 months it's 30%, gold is only 21%. But if you hold it longer, right, okay, for 5 years, 20 years, okay, then you see gold okay, will outperform historical data will outperform the silver but both okay, both actually went up for the last 20 years okay, you gain 400 over percent for 484% for gold and 427% for silver. Okay, so let's look at the chart there's something I want to show you. Look at the chart. Look at gold first look at gold first. Okay, gold, right, okay, actually gold has broken out of a channel, right? It got the double top but double bottom, so it has actually gone quite far okay, from the breakout means gold actually has already gone quite far okay, from the breakout. Okay, so there is a potential gold will have a bigger retracement okay, during any bad news or any bad news coming up from the US okay, so gold there is potential have the bigger fall because it really went up quite high see from the breakout here, right, up to current price here, okay, it really went 19%, okay, it really went up 19%. Okay, so potential, okay, if it drop, maybe a bigger retracement and what we see recently for this gold, right, we see a double top here on the RSI, means the price going higher but RSI not going higher, so there is a potential this this gold okay, might really hit a big wall at 2000. You see it tried to go through 2000 okay, it tried to go through 2000 is here 2000, okay, 2000 is here. Okay, so it unable to hang above 2000 okay, it went up 2000, came back down. It went up, I show you this is a 2000 line okay, it pushed to 2000, went to 2000, so away being sold down below 2000. It pushed to 2000 second time, we got bearish engulfing, now keep on hanging below 2000. Okay, and with this potential RSI divergence and smart MCDX divergence you see okay, the smart MCDX was over 75% up to 80-90% at this high 1009, right, 1009.52. okay, now it has, when this higher high, right, 2039, right, you see this smart MCDX, this banker momentum red color aren't so high anymore, right, so there is a reduce in the momentum okay, so there is a potential it will retrace. Okay, looking at this, but where are the area that it will retrace okay, so if you discuss what are the possible area that it will retrace. Okay, so there's a few area that you want to look at. Okay, first area, okay, of course, okay, of course that day, right, I talk about the right area to buy gold, right, is one here. Okay, remember I do the video, right? Okay, I did the video 1008, this was the right place to buy, I said, right? Remember I said, okay, a lot of you ask me Okay, this big drop, how big is 1,850 a good place to buy? Okay, around here, around here. Okay, so what I said that with this big momentum drop, right? I don't think it can stop here. So actually, it went up lower to 1,008. The 1,008 was a good area to buy lah. If you manage to buy at 1,008 area here, right? Okay, that day already went up 10%. Okay, so now what we want to see, right? Gold, whether it can sustain the long term or not. I already draw a channel. Okay, so it has this channel. Okay, as long as the gold, right? Okay, as long as running inside this channel, right? Okay, long term, I think gold got good chance continue to go up. And this is a Gary Wagner, this guy, this famous gold guy the gold investor he is one of the most famous gold investor other than Peter Schiff. Peter Schiff also very bullish gold guy he is also a gold guy You want to listen to gold, okay, a story about gold, you like gold, you want to see gold prediction, gold analysis, okay, Peter Schiff is one of the top gold guy, and Gary Wagner also one of the top gold guy. Of course, you know this guy also Kiyosaki also he also very is a what to call that a gold guy means he like to invest a lot of money on gold, his capital and gold, and he like to talk about it Okay, so now this is the problem. You see, this was the high, the 2,000 was the high. Okay. Okay, let me put it back to the. Let me draw two lines here easier for you to see Okay, 2,000 Okay, 2,000 was the rejection area, and this one, sorry, here and here. Okay, this two was the rejection area. Okay, so this Gary Wagner, he predict end of this year is around 2002 to 2003. Okay, so now this is the area, a big resistance area. Okay, that it cannot go through. It cannot go through, right? This area. Okay, now it got stuck again as the same area, so now it's starting to sell down. Okay, previously after it got stuck here, it came down to 1,006. Okay, will this one come down to 1,006? There is a potential that it might come down here. Okay, we cannot say there's no potential. Anything is possible in the market, but you see we got a trend line over here. Okay, so there is a good support around this area If we come down okay, around this area. Okay, if it really crash okay, 1689 is a area that it has good support. Okay, if we can break through here, then maybe 1623 and this one 1437. So if we crash, these are the area that you can look for, really buy some good low price gold but we don't see that far first. Okay, if there is a crash which is unlikely Okay, as long as gold is running inside this channel. Okay, so very likely what you do is, okay, you come back to the bottom channel, top channel. Okay, potential come to this 2002 to 2003 Gary Wagner price. Okay, for now, because we see a divergence. Okay, so there is a probability that in this wave it might drop, or it might go up a bit more. Okay, and we retest this high again, this resistance again, it might drop. Okay, so the area we want to look for a potential, okay, to buy gold, either the rebound at this area, okay, which is okay, around 1,952. Okay, because remember last time, right, the right area to buy was 1,008. Okay, so the next retracement, right, you want to add some more. Okay, this will be the 1,950. This area rebound, yes. If this area broken, no. Okay, don't go in now. If go, okay. So you see a recession, there's no guarantee the gold will go up. Now we saw already, okay. We drop below, okay. Then we see this zone. This zone, 1008 or 1689. So you look for these two zones, okay, to pull your average down. If you want it at 1008, right? If you came back here, okay, rebound, maybe got chance. Come back lower, then you pull your this gold investment even lower, average even lower. But don't go in now. Wait for the next leg down. Wait for the next leg down, because looks like it seems that you want to go down. Okay, it seems like you want to go down. Look at silver. Silver, I'm more positive on silver. Why? I tell you why. I'm more positive on silver. Why? Okay, you see you see okay. Gold already went up a lot, okay, and it want to rest, okay. It already went up so high, already almost 20% from the breakout, okay. So probably it will have a retracement back before it goes up again. Well, silver different. Silver just broke out. You see, okay. Gold broke out at November 22. Okay, so it already bullish for how many months? November until May lah. Okay, until now. So it already bullish for 6 months already. Where else? Okay, silver just broke out. Okay, just broke out from this downtrend only. It just broke out. Okay, this silver, okay, in the short term has more momentum to go up than the gold. Okay, silver high. Okay, looking at the chart, right? Okay, silver, the potential, okay, area that it might rebound. Okay, it might come back to 22 or 22, 23, 24, this area. Okay, it might come back to this area. Okay, and there's no divergence. Look at this. Okay, this silver, there's no divergence. Okay, so potential, it retraces lower a little bit. Okay, and rebound. Okay, so my target, if I want to buy, if I want to add one more time, okay, most likely, if it rebound at 24, maybe I'll add over here. Or if it couldn't rebound at 24, it do come back to 22, I will look for 22. Okay, if it drops below 22, then we have to wait and see, because it really broken this trend line. So it might be even lower . You know what? Market, there's no guarantee, right? Okay, so let's say recession is too bad. Even people don't even have money to invest in gold, right? So it might drop. Also, we see the chart, right? So this no certainty that the gold will go up. Okay, but from the last recession, okay, 2022, around 2022 recession, and 2010 recession, right? Okay, gold actually went up. Okay, so now, but gold now a bit high now. Potential, I think, okay, I think it might have a drop before it goes up. And this silver, okay, looks even, I think silver is stronger. Okay, I think silver is stronger. Silver 22 need to hold. If it break below 22, then it's quite bad. Okay, if it actually comes back to this area, okay, 22, 23, I think there's a potential to add some more. This is what I would do . Okay, so this is my analysis on silver. Don't forget to support the channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay, and don't forget CGSMB. I want to open an account. There's link at the bottom. Okay, so today do a short video, a bit late today. Holiday we need to bring the children out, because kids nowadays they go to school, they got so much things to do, so much. The holiday, we want to give them, treat them to have a enjoyable day . Okay, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Happy Labour Day. Bye bye.